everyone doing today? Shush! How's everyone doing today? Goose, stop. I never knew how hard it would be to do a video with birds. Rude! So, got something really cool to show you. The plants in the milk jugs are doing great. Tomatoes are getting huge. I need to transplant them into some bigger pots. And we got a greenhouse that Jeremy and Angela picked up from us from Living the Dream Homestead. Almost got mowed over. So I'm going to set that up behind me by the big rock that's behind me. And I did end up planting some more stuff since my little funky video that I did. I've got some cantaloupe. You can see in there. I planted some zucchini. They're coming up. See if you can. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not. I planted some jalapeno. They're not coming up yet. The jalapenos aren't coming up yet. I'm sure they will be soon. My bell peppers are coming up. The tomatoes are they're doing great. Hopefully you can see in there. Those are my cherry tomatoes. The brandy wine, they're getting huge. They're ready to be transplanted for sure into some bigger pots. And I haven't had to water them. Once yet. I got some tomatillos that are going. They just started popping up. I don't know if you can see them in there. It'd be awesome if we have some tomatillos.
Okay, how about, do you want a hand then?
I don't know.
You don't know if you want help?
I'm trying to figure out how to do it.
Where are you at?
In it. According to the box.
Goose, come here.
Goose, get out of there.
Goose.
Goose!
Why are you laying on the ground?
How else am I supposed to do it? I can't stand up.
Come out, honey. Come out.
Not a bad little portable greenhouse at all. I couldn't put it up by myself, of course, so Stuart had to help me. But plenty of room. It has window vents on each side. It's pretty cool. I think it costs like $100. What's up, chickens? What's up, little mamas? You better enjoy it while you can. There's nothing fun in there. Oh, give me that. No, you can't have a rubber band. So, funny thing, is it this hen? Yeah, this hen here the other day, Stuart came home from work, and we started hearing this funny noise, and it was outside, but it sounded like a squeaky toy. It was, this hen here was squeaking and kind of like holding her mouth open, and so we Googled it, and One thing that it could have been was something called gapeworm, which apparently you do not want in your flock because all of them will get it. Or it could have been something caught in her windpipe, which I'm thinking that's exactly what it was, because probably about a half hour, 45 minutes later, she was fine. I mean, she was still eating when she was making that noise and running around being a chicken. She looked like she might have been a little panicked, but you can see she's fine now. So she just had something caught in her windpipe. Huh, girl? See about transplanting those plants into those bigger pots. I got to find a folding table to bring down here so I'm not down on my hands and knees taking care of plants. And I'll give you an update on it once I get everything done. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and say hi to Stuart. Okay, bye.